Welcome back everyone. In this video, let's take a look at our third navigation related component, which is the link component. The link component allows you to easily customize anchor elements with theme colors and typography styles. It's one of the more straightforward components to use with very few props, so let's quickly take a look at the usage. Let's begin by creating a new file in the components folder. muilink.tsx. Within the file, I'm going to create a new component. I'm also going to import the stack component and use it instead of the div tag. We're going to be adding a few different links, so let's set spacing is equal to 2 on the stack component. The direction also will be equal to row. I'll also add some margin. Now to add a link, we need to import the link component. Import it from the core library. Now within the stack component, let's add a link. Link, the text is link, and href is equal to the hash symbol. I've set href is equal to hash since we don't really have to navigate elsewhere. You can add any external link and it will work just fine. If we include this component in app component, and take a look at the browser, you can see we have the link component. It is primary colored and underlined. Now there are 3 props worth mentioning when it comes to this link component. First, we have the color. This is set to primary by default as the link should stand out compared to regular typography. Let's create a new link and set the color to secondary. The text is secondary and color is equal to secondary. Take a look at the browser and we see a secondary colored link component. The next prop is the underline prop. By default, every link is underlined. You can change it to hover, so underline is equal to hover, in which case you can see that the underline appears only when we hover over the link. You can also set it to none, in which case there will never be an underline. Finally, we have the variant prop, which is the same as that of typography. However, the default value is inherit. So the link component accepts the variant of the wrapping typography component. If you were to wrap the link tag with typography, import typography at the top, and set typography variant is equal to h6, you can see the link inherits that and appears like an h6 element. However, if there is no wrapping typography element, you can set the value explicitly. For example, on the first link, variant is equal to body2, and you can see the body2 variant styles being applied. This is pretty much about the link component. Now, one of the uses of the link component, apart from being a standalone link, is in the usage of the breadcrumbs component. Let's take a look at that next.